Hello, friend. It's my pleasure to welcome you guys back to our Camtasia 2022 Beginner Guide to Advanced Tutorial Step-by-Step tutorial. And in my previous tutorial, I was able to explain some of the tools and how you can record your screen with your Camtasia 2022. If you have not yet watched those past tutorials as far as this series is concerned, you can check my playlist on the channel and see some of the tutorials in the past. Okay. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see what you can do with Camtasia 2022 beginner to advanced. And before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, so let's get started. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on how you can lay out setting for your YouTube short video or your TikTok short video or your Instagram video layout setting. Before you can produce, you have to do a proper setting. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. So for you to get started with YouTube short or TikTok short layout setting video editing, so you have to come to new project right here. All right, so you're going to have the interface like this. Now, first thing you need to consider before you can import your project, maybe video or JPEG or audio, is what thing you need to consider is proper settings. All right, so what we are learning today is how you can set up your layout for YouTube Short or TikTok or Instagram. So before you can do all this stuff, the next thing you need to do is to come to the preview panel. Right click on the preview panel. If you are using Camtasia 2022, then you should be able to see project settings. Or if you are using anything lower than Camtasia 2022, you have to come to the top right here and make sure you choose on project settings. So you are still doing the same thing. Okay, so it's going to present you with the stuff like this. Right now, what you need to do here is to tap on here and then make sure you scroll down. And this time around, you have to choose costume. When you choose costume, it's take you right here. And from the width right here, make sure you type in 1080 for the height. Make sure you type in 1920. Once you are done, and make sure you come here and you choose your frame rate to be 30 seconds. You can leave it in a 30 seconds. And once you're done, you click on apply. Now, you notice that when we are trying to set up the layout, before we set up the layout, the preview window here is not a tiny like this. But if you have it this way, this simply means that you have successfully set up a layout for a YouTube short or TikTok video or WhatsApp status video uploader and etc. Now, once you're able to set up your layout, the next thing is to bring in your media. So there are different ways to bring in your media. You can click on importing media, or you click on this plus sign here and choose import media. So it takes you to a page whereby you have all your media in a folder. So I'm going to selecting this particular one right here and click on open. So once your media has been fully loaded, then you can select on the media, drag it into the timeline right here. You can, so you notice one thing right here. When you drag into the timeline, what you have right here is that the video become a very smaller in size. What you need to do here is to increase the width and the height of the video. For you to do that, just have to come to scale right here, drag the scale right here into forward, or you can type in the figure into where you see the counts up and down. So, or you can come here and type in the figure right here, or you adjust it the way I made it in a very simple manner. So you can see that our video has been full the screen of the Camtasia. You can see it right here. So each time once you're done with production and everything, you export it. Each time you upload your video into YouTube, you are going to have a vertical format in a shot this way. If you are uploading it in TikTok, you're going to have it in this way. You upload it in on your WhatsApp status, you're going to have it on this way. So guys, this is a proper way and normal way to set up your YouTube short format on Camtasia 2022 or any version lower than Camtasia 2022. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial for beginner to advanced using Camtasia software video editing. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. How it's supposed to feel.